Hello, I'm David Stevens, founder of Yoga of the Mind. At Yoga of the Mind, we teach a whole variety of classes. They all have one focus, helping you live in greater intuitive flow. We have classes on developing your intuition, energy healing, meditating, reading the tarot, manifesting. And this month we'll have a class that we haven't taught in quite some time. It's called Are You Sick of Dating? It's also called Using Intuition in Your Romantic Relationships. About 20 years ago, I discovered some principles and techniques which led me to starting the best relationship of my life 17 years ago. It started out really good and it just keeps getting better. We can't believe it. It's the happiest either of us have ever been, and I want you to have that same experience. People who've taken this class and applied the principles, many of them have found much deeper, much better romantic relationships, and they've found that the whole process, it just takes a whole lot of stress out of it. Because once you learn to perceive and select which energies you really get along with, then you'll start meeting people who you're energetically congruent with, and that will be a whole different experience than all the other surface romantic theories and techniques. This class probably will sell out, so I urge you to check it out, and if it's for you, register right away. There's a link below for more details, and you can also email me or call me with any questions. Thanks for your time, and I hope you'll be joining us.